viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you guys. Isn't that amazing? Alright, in a quick one, I want to tell you more about this black magic powder I once told you some time ago, which is still much more available. Look at it. Black magic powder is still much available for those of us who are doing whitening. Your shower gel need to be white, your soap need to be white, your lotion need to be white, right? And you want that excessive white. You want your client to always patronize you because your lotion is working. So this is what you will be using, this black magic powder. Very authentic, original. In 7 days you see result. If you don't see result, meaning it's not me who said it. So like, you must see result in 7 days. Trust me, all your lotion will be white. If somebody used your lotion before and it's not working, like they say, oh, this thing not working, it's because you're not using the right additive. So people think maybe glutathione, or you just use this arbutin, or you just use this. Even when you use all the powder and you don't add the right additive, all these, they're not gonna work. Trust me, unless I'm not a cosmetician, or like I don't know details about all the stuff. But if I know what I'm saying and I know much about, really like as a sure, meaning I'm saying the truth in the sense that out of experience, because you might put all the old powder, but just one mistake, all your effort will be waste. So for us not to be wasting all that effort, let us get the right additive, the original ingredient. That's why I'm telling you, among all of the powders you should be talking about right now is black magic powder, which is, you don't need to use more of it, just small, in as much as expensive. That is how it works. These are powders that take off dead skin, black spot, wrinkles as well, because this powder, in as much as a whitening, is still anti-aging and is an antioxidant also. So make sure you get this black magic powder. If no black magic powder in your production right now, meaning you're doing something that is not doing well. So you just have to see how you can get this black magic powder. And I told you we ship everywhere. You want to get raw, original, organic ingredient. When I say organic ingredients, you want to get original, or you can as well really count on us, because all these, because of the rate of dollar that is quite high now, people are just trying to fabricate or duplicate or make all this product on their own. And when they do all this, because they don't they refill and they don't have the right ingredient, so what they do, they don't even have idea of what they do, so they give people what they just produce, which is the fake. Just imagine a customer called me and she tried to get powders, because I told her the price, because of dollar rate exchange, and she said, oh, blah blah blah, and she went somewhere and go get powder. Guess what did they say for her? And I found out that, like, oh, she got somewhere, she's not talking to me anymore. And I call her, madam, what happened? Like, say, oh, my friend, I was gonna call you, sorry, I got somewhere. I said, okay, fine. So ever since then, I've not been seeing her online, not only for me to hear from her some days back that the powder she got, she went to get some fake chemicals and mixed with cassava they grind, and she used on her production. So what she produced to people, and like she caused people problem, like they jail her, so they jail her for buying wrong products to make a cream for people. That was from the US, and I said, okay, that's great of you, you're doing well, that's nice improvement on you. For you going to jail, is a very big improvement, so you've learned a lesson. So that is on her, not me, alright? So because of dollar is high, so you want to go buy fake things, right? Okay, I wish you success. So please don't be like that lady, all right? Well, I ask you just to do the right thing, and we ship everywhere. Just name it: Asia country, Europe, UK, US, Canada. Just name it. We ship everywhere. Within 4 days, you get your items. It's retalk. I tell you, go purchase this right now. Go purchase. This is the right powder, trendy right now. This is what they're using. All those big brands that you hear of, this is where they come. They contact me, trust me. And I don't want to call names, right? So, but this is where you can get it. Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare.